Hi, I'm Wilson with Quick CNC. Regardless of the type of cutting you done, Quick CNC has a router that makes a perfect fit. This machine is an order from Mike in the United Kingdom. He has 4 sets of machines, and we are proud to see that we have more than 300 customers in Europe using this model. Okay, let's go through and cover all the basic features. Let's get started. First of all, the spindle is an Italian-made spindle which is considered to be one of the best spindles in the world. It's an automatic tool changing spindle. The 8 tools allow your CNC router to complete highly complex jobs with multi-tools with no user interaction. 8 tools magazines, fast tool change speed, and a large tool magazine capacity. The tool has been tested for dynamic balance with high precision and good stability. Look, here are motors we equipped it on this machine. They just covers of motors, a good Japanese brand in the motor industry. Besides the motors are the planetary reducers. It helps the sub-motor to reduce speed while increasing output torque. By this way, the motor can obtain the best transmission efficiency. For running quality CNC machine is a heavy frame. That's very rigid, ruggedly constructed machine structure. Material is stress relieved and annealed for demotion free. As always keeps the machine accurate. This is the strongest bed I have ever seen. Well, next part is the vacuum table, and this is the working side surface of the machine. It's a specially designed table. The design has better sealing, performance, and better absorption. Double layer design also has the advantage of being strong and not deformed. Now it's 5x10. We also offer it in 4x8, 4x12, and other sizes upon request. Okay, so next is the wheels and the rack. We've added its covers, and those covers the rack and painting the liner guides, so you don't get any dust and debris down into these items. What makes us different from other manufacturers in that it will always insist on using imported brand. The rack brand is from Germany, and the wheels are from Taiwan. Pop-up pins are the most reliable method of ensure quick and easy material positioning. With the full manual traction, there is no fear of any cutting tools collection with the pin. X is 1 pieces and Y axis is 2. The great features I've always loved about this 4-axis machine is just how easy it is. To service and to operate maintenance is really easy. It's a centralized application system here. One quick pump will liberate all 3 axes of the machine. The lubrication pump is set with automatic oil filling time. No manual operation is required. Customers added a mist cooling system, which is very helpful for aluminum cutting. When it comes to machine control, Syntec is the leading company in the world. We chose them because it's a powerful controller, it makes high precision, and is very stable. Syntec system has both panel control and PC-based control series for clients optional. The PC-based controller as users can operate the machine with a keyboard and mouse. Will give you a hand wheel to easily move the machine. Well, let's open the control cabinet. You can see the cover drivers, inverter, and other important parts inside. Just like we have seen, all the wires on it, and each cable has labels for maintaining the also provides on the control cabinet to keep steady stream of fresh air going through the cabinet to maintain the temperature of inside the control cabinet. This ensures years of reliable service from your electronics. Well, let's complete walk through all different features of the machine. Today, I will always find to see how fast it is.